Extension bracket. First you're going to want to remove the extension bracket from its box. Then place it on top of the PTM so the top cap fits through the dedicated slot. You can then begin screwing the Torx bolts in by hand until they won't go any further, at which point you can use the supply tool to give them their final turns. Now your PTM with extension bracket is ready to install. Begin by placing the bracket down on a flat surface you intend to install the device on, in our case a bridge above an estuary. Mark the spot where you want to drill your first hole. To do this we use the drill bit itself. You can now drill the hole. With the hole ready you can place a Torx bolt through the bracket and begin screwing the anchor sleeve on. Then simply slide the anchor bolt into the next hole and give it a couple turns with the supply tools until it's flush. Next, using a smaller bit and the extension bracket slots as a guide, drill a shallow hole to use as a marker for your second anchor bolt. Shift the bracket to the side to reveal your marker. Using a larger bit again, you can now drill the correct hole for the second anchor bolt. Place the anchor bolt with the sleeve into the hole and gently unscrew the Torx bolt from the sleeve, leaving behind the washer. Then slide the bracket back over the second hole and washer and begin screwing the Torx bolt in until it's flush. Check your level using the supplied spirit level and make any adjustments needed. Finally, measure the height from your device to the water below. And just like that, your PTM is installed and ready to capture data.